So another simple application of the overhand knot is the overhand slip knot. To make this knot, you start by forming a loop. Notice how this part is going over this part of the rope. And you form another loop similar to tying your shoes, and you just run it through like so. Then that gives you a slip knot. You can then take this and slip it around anything that you might want to. It isn't a particularly stable knot, but it is very easy to tie and not too hard to untie if if the load on the end of the rope isn't weighted too heavy. But if you're going to use a knot for purposes of holding a load, there are other knots we will discuss better that will probably serve better use.